Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly edit your images in Miro. So if you're in your design, guys, and you want to edit any image, simply click on the image and you'll find the pencil icon here. So if you click on that, it's going to take you into an editor powered by Adobe Express inside Miro. It's built right into Miro, and so you can use this to edit your image. So right here, you can crop your image, you can remove the background, you can do some kind of a erase to it, you can insert an object in it, you can remove object, you can do quite a lot. You can even change the colors here, so you have the basic colors and all those good stuff, right? You can even do a custom as you wish. As you can see, there's many options that you can choose from. And if I go back to the edit section, you can see that I can do some adjustment. I can change the opacity of the image and so forth. So that's how you can easily go ahead and edit your image. So that's pretty much it. You can even change the corners of the image if you so desire. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. There's so much you can do with your image. So if you like to go ahead and edit your image, this is how you do it. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save, then save again, and that's it.